Hey, how is it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this crisscross chair that I think it could be a really good one if you like to sit like this or just like this. Because this one, number one, it supports 350 pounds, so that's quite a large amount of weight. And also, it's actually really comfy. I want to say that it has kind of like a double layer pad that is kind of like a really comfy one. Of course, this is not a big chair. This is not a chair that's going to give you a large and tall headrest. It's going to give you those supports in your arms or things like that. This is number one, a space saver chair, and number two is a chair for people that likes to kind of like chill more than anything and sit in those like weird positions with your legs. The things that I like about this one is number one, the easy assemble. It was super easy. I think it took me probably like 10 minutes. I'm not exaggerating, or probably like 15 minutes, something like that. But also the other one is that it comes in multiple colors, but this kind of like leather-ish feels, it feels kind of like stylish, I want to say, but also modern and comfortable. The double pad that I was telling you about is this one right here. It comes with this double pad here on the cushion and also here on the kind of like the backrest. It doesn't have a dedicated lumbar support, but I have to say that since it's totally wide, this thing is super wide, as you can see over here, you're not gonna need it because you're mostly gonna sit kind of like this way and probably chilling with your legs crossed like this one. The other thing that I like about this one, of course, like every other chair, you can just modify the height, but also check this out. Now it's locked. I think so, it's locked, and now it's unlocked. It comes with a kind of like rocking feature, so that is kind of cool, I have to say, because that's gonna help you to chill a little bit more. And actually, you can loosen it up a little bit more with this knob that is kind of like down here. The other good thing about this one is that it comes with wheels, because not all of these crisscross chairs actually comes with wheels. There are many of those that are just like fixed position. And you can see how smooth this one swivels. I have to say, I'm a little bit surprised about this chair. I don't usually kind of like use these chairs. I use the bigger ones and executive ones, but I'm impressed about this one because how it looks, because how comfy it is with the double pad, how wide it is, and it supports 350 pounds. I think this is a good one. Check it out if you like to sit on those weird positions. I hope that this was helpful for you, and I'll see you soon.